Hi! In front of me is VIVO S17 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. First of all, go into Tab menu and look for Mini Screen Mode shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to change placement of it, click on this icon at the top left or right corner and drag it. In order to resize it, click on the same icon, hold one of those dots and pick the perfect size of your screen. If you wish to go back to the standard mode, you can do that by clicking this X at the top right or left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!